In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for level 2 option on Webull. So the first thing you want to do is of course open up the app, and then you want to click down here at the bottom right where you can see the menu option. Now, once you click on the menu option, a few things will pop up under shortcuts, and what you want to click on is this one in the middle, which says settings. Now, once you click on settings over here, what you then have to do is, as you can see, there's a bunch of different options. You want to go to manage brokerage account, which is the second option up here. Once you're in the second option, there we go. Now, from here, you want to look for option trading level, which is here in this second bracket. So, option trading level, in case you are on level 1, you will see level 1, but of course, this time I'm on level 2, so I don't see level 1. Now, for you, if you want to apply for level 2, it will say level 1 over here. Don't worry about it. Just tap on that. After you tap on that, over here you will see basically a few different things up here. Now it will say a bunch of different stuff. Of course, this account has been applied already, so just click on reapply, or in case you don't even see this message, just ignore this part. So click reapply, or you will already see this part over here where you will have to basically read the instructions and then click on continue over here at the bottom. So just click continue. And then from here, you will have to basically put in the overall option investment objective. So as you can see, you'll just have to put in as you wish over here, and then you will have to put in your general investment experience and then risk tolerance as well. Now at the very top over here, let me scroll up, there we go, you'll see it says choose one. So simply click on choose one, and then it says desired option trading level. In case you are currently on level 1, you simply have to click on level 1. But if you're on level 2, you want to click on level 2. So assuming you're still on level 1, click level 1 over here. And then that's been done. You want to click on continue here at the very bottom. And then once you do that over here, you'll simply says your updated option application has been submitted and is pending review. You can simply click on OK over here, and then you will have to just wait for them to basically let you in, and you'll get a notification whether you've been accepted and upgraded to level 2 or not. So that's pretty much that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.